Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. Here at the Inland Empire Law Group, we often run across cases that involve rear-end collision cases. Most people would think, boy, rear-end collision case must be a really simple case. In fact, it's not as simple as one might think. Here are a couple of reasons why. One of the things that oftentimes the insurance company looks for in a rear-end collision case is the amount of damage that was caused to a vehicle. They have this opinion that the greater the damage, then the greater the injury. However, that may actually not be the case. Sometimes when a vehicle has less impact damage, the injuries could be more significant for the occupants of the vehicle. A lot has to do with the structure of the vehicle, things of that nature. So if you've been involved in a rear-end collision case, you really need to talk to a personal injury attorney to make sure that he or she can identify all the issues that may arise in a case of that nature.